Hello, I'm Mitch, and I'm going to show you how to install an exposed wheel hardware system from Country Designs. There are two different ways to install the rail to the wall. One using the rail and directly securing it to the studs, or by installing a ledger first to the studs and installing the rail to the ledger. In this case, we're going to use the ledger. So the next step is to pre-drill the ledger, so when we secure the lag bolts through the rail to the ledger, it does not split the wood. The ledger is 1 inch longer on either side, so in this case the rail is 79 inches, the ledger is 81. The next step is to secure the ledger to the wall. In this case, the door height is 86 inches, so the bottom of the ledger is going to be 87.25, or 1.25 inches above your door height. We've pre-marked the studs. So now we're going to fix the ledger to the wall using wood screws where we're meeting studs. So using the level, we're ensuring that the ledger is installed 100% level. Then we'll fix the ledger to the wall with wood screws. So now that we've got the ledger installed on the wall, we're going to install the rail to the ledger. So in this case, we'll start with the end cap. So installing the end cap onto the rail with the flat washer, the standoff, followed by another washer. Now that the rail is secured to the ledger, we're going to double check the tightness of lag bolts with a 9/16 ratchet. The next step is to install the door guide. This will be on the right side of the door opening as the door is sliding right. Next, using 3/4 inch shims, we'll shim the door off the floor. This will be the final height that the door stands. Now that the shims are in place and the door is standing upright, hang the hangers over the rail to where they're going to stop once the door is fully closed. Next, ensure that it is square. And mark the holes to be pre-drilled. So next we'll pre-drill the holes using a 1/4 inch wood drill bit if you're using softwood, or 5/16 if you're using hardwood. Then we can secure the hangers to the door using the small lag nuts provided. Now that the door is installed, you can see the door guide keeps the door true to the wall. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy your door.